Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, AI engineering from scratch. This project demystifies the complex world of AI by guiding you through a hands-on journey to learn, build, and ship your own applications from first principles. Gaining over 700 stars today alone, it's clearly resonating with developers eager to move beyond theory and master practical AI implementation. It's a curious statistic. 84% of students are using AI tools, but a recent study finds only 18% feel truly prepared to use them in a professional setting. This massive gap between usage and competence is exactly what one ambitious open source project aims to close, not with quick tutorials, but with a deep foundational curriculum. The project is called AI Engineering from Scratch, created by developer Rohing00. It offers a complete, structured learning path designed to bridge the gap between academic theory and real-world AI application, and its traction is remarkable. The repository has already accumulated over 9,500 stars, with a recent spike of more than 765 in just a single day. It lays out a massive curriculum of 435 lessons across 20 distinct phases, promising a comprehensive journey from mathematical basics all the way to production-ready AI systems. So, what is the core problem this project is solving? It's the fragmented nature of modern AI education. Developers often piece together their knowledge from scattered blog posts, research papers, and flashy demos, which can lead to a superficial understanding. They might be able to use a pre-built model or call an API, but they can't explain the loss curve of a model they trained or the mechanics of the attention mechanism inside it. This project provides a coherent spine for that scattered knowledge. Its unique angle is a simple but powerful philosophy. Learn it, build it, ship it. This forces a rigorous, first principles approach that is often missing from faster, application-focused courses. The project's architecture is best understood as a teaching framework, meticulously layered to build knowledge progressively. At its heart is the build it, use it model. For any given algorithm, like backpropagation or an agent loop, learners must first implement it from scratch using only basic math and code. Only after building this mini version do they learn to accomplish the same task with a high-level framework like PyTorch. This method ensures a deep, intuitive grasp of what the framework is abstracting away. Another key design element is what could be called artifact-driven learning. Each of the 435 lessons concludes not with a quiz, but by producing a reusable artifact. This could be a prompt, a skill, or even a deployable agent. This process turns abstract learning into a concrete portfolio of tools. For example, lessons generate standardized skill files that can be directly loaded into AI assistants like Claude or Cursor, making the curriculum itself an extensible toolkit. The entire approach treats educational content with the same rigor as software development, even using automated scripts to maintain structure and consistency. So, who is this for? The curriculum targets a wide audience, from developers transitioning into AI to senior engineers who want to master advanced topics like agent engineering. A developer looking to become an AI engineer can follow the entire path for a rock-solid foundation. A researcher can dive into specific phases to understand the underlying math of an algorithm. For tech leads, it's a powerful internal training resource. The barrier to entry for reading the material is low, but the practical learning curve is steep, and that's by design. It demands a real commitment to understanding how AI actually works, not just how to call an API. Of course, the project's greatest strength, its immense scope, is also its biggest risk. The AI field evolves at a blistering pace. Maintaining 435 lessons to prevent the content from becoming obsolete will require a monumental and continuous effort. The from-scratch philosophy, while powerful, also creates a steep learning curve that might deter some beginners. Furthermore, there's always a risk that the later, more advanced phases of the curriculum might be less polished or complete than the foundational ones, potentially leaving learners on an unfinished path. In the end, AI engineering from scratch is not just another set of tutorials. It's a structured philosophy for achieving true mastery in AI. It matters because it focuses on creating engineers who can build and innovate, not just operate, the complex systems that are reshaping our world.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.